The 2015 Rolls-Royce Wraith, inspired by fashion. Although Rolls-Royce's Bespoke division isn't exactly new, it began rolling out a number of customized luxury rigs only about a year ago. Be it the Phantom, the Ghost or the Wraith, each vehicle in Rolls-Royce's lineup has received its fair share of attention from Bespoke, which translated into special edition or one-off cars inspired by various themes. For 2015, the Wraith returns yet again in the spotlight with the Inspired by Fashion edition. As the name suggests, this white-painted Wraith celebrates the brand's long-standing philosophy of taking the finest materials and crafting them into exquisite and desirable luxury goods, appointed to the customer's exact specification. The coupe also commemorates the marque's first showroom in Mayfair, which was founded near Savile Row, London's famous centre of excellence. It was there that Sir Henry Royce and Charles Rolls matched the offerings of their famous neighbours with the automotive equivalent of the finest clothes. Rolls-Royce's relationship with fashion goes way back to the early 20th century, and the Wraith, inspired by fashion, is here to highlight just that. This iteration of Wraith provides a canvas for materials and finishes most commonly associated with the world of fashion. Inspiration was sourced from international catwalks and bespoke tailors, resulting in an aesthetically stunning and sartorially on-point motor car, said Giles Taylor, director of design for Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. Continue reading to learn more about the Rolls-Royce Wraith, inspired by fashion. Exterior. Like most bespoke, crafted Rolls-Royce vehicles, the Wraith, inspired by fashion, is only about a bespoke color scheme on the outside. The two-tone livery brings together Andalusian white and Arctic white in a combination that provides a subtle contrast. Fancy names aside, the side body panels are wrapped in a very light shade of gray, while the front grille, engine hood, roof and trunk lid are finished in white. The Wraith's signature shoulder line, painted bright yellow on the model shown here, adds a dash of color and sets the two main hues apart. Customers who don't fancy yellow can have the accent line in either tailored purple or Magello red. Other than that, the Wraith, inspired by fashion, is identical to any other Wraith out there, meaning no other alterations were made to its exterior design. Interior. The interior is where the Wraith, inspired by fashion, really shines. The cabin is almost entirely upholstered in black and white leather as a tribute to the original Wraith of the late 1930s. The cabin is almost entirely upholstered in black and white leather as a tribute to the original Wraith of the late 1930s. The embroidered details on the seats, the accents on the door panels, and the steering wheel rim are finished in a color that mirrors the shoulder lines. The two-tone steering wheel also features a seamless stitching technique borrowed from the world of fine tailoring and mastered at Rolls-Royce's famous leather shop. The fashion theme is completed with the integration of welting, another technique commonly associated with high-quality tailoring. The result is a colorful silk strip integrated into the signature leather door panels. Last, the Wraith received Bespoke's trademark clock, this time crafted as a piece of jewelry and styled to emit a pearl effect, reminiscent of silk fabrics. Although not as flashy as the usual Bespoke interior, this interior layout places the Wraith, inspired by fashion, in company consisting mostly of classic, pre-World War II cars. I like that. Drivetrain. Motivating this special Wraith is the same 6.6-liter V12 found in the standard car. The massive mill delivers 624 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed automatic, pushing the coupe from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. Its top speed comes in at 186 miles per hour. It might not be as fast as other luxury coupes, but it's still darn impressive considering it's 207 inches long and weighs nearly 5,400 pounds. Prices. As usual, prices for bespoke-made Rolls-Royces are available only by request. But if I were to take a guess, I'd say the Inspired by Fashion coupe fetches at least $350,000. The Wraith's base price is set at $284,900 before options. Competition. Bentley Continental GT Speed. The Continental GT Speed may not be as luxurious as the Wraith, but it's a vehicle those in the market for a genuine British Grand Tourer need to consider. Revised for the 2016 model year, the GT Speed, which is powered by a 6.0-liter W12, is only a hint more powerful than the Wraith at 626 horsepower and 607 pound-feet of torque. As a result, it's also quicker from 0 to 60 miles per hour, needing just 4 seconds. When it comes to top speed, the British coupe can go up to 206 miles per hour, outgunning just about every other vehicle in its class. The traditional Bentley interior spoils its passengers with acres of leather and wood inlays. On the other hand, customizing options are limited, because Bentley doesn't have a bespoke division. Pricing starts from $203,500 in the United States, making it cheaper than the Rolls-Royce Wraith. Read more about the 2016 Continental GT in our detailed review here. Mercedes-Benz S65 AMG Coupe. Reintroduced after a 16-year hiatus, the two-door S-Class also received two high-performance versions for 2015, the most powerful and exclusive of which is the S65 AMG. Arguably one of Mercedes' most beautiful designs as of late, the S-Class Coupe becomes more aggressive when equipped with AMG's styling package and gets an array of luxury and sporty goodies on the inside. The sports seats, for instance, are wrapped in Designo-exclusive Nappa leather, while all sorts of hides cover everything from the roof liner to the center console. The chromed door pins, stainless steel door sills, and the AMG 3-spoke steering wheel add a sporty feel customers won't find in the Wraith. Lurking under the S65 AMG Coupe's long hood is a biturbo, 6.0-liter V12 engine rated at 621 horsepower and a whopping 738 pound-feet of torque. Mated to an AMG SpeedShift Plus 7 G-tronic transmission, the mill enables the Merc to hit 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds, on par with the Speed GT and nearly a half-second quicker than the Wraith. As far as top speed goes, though, the AMG is on par with the Rolls at 186 miles per hour. Pricing for the S65 AMG Coupe starts from $230,000. Find out more about the S65 AMG Coupe in our full review here. Conclusion. While each bespoke made Rolls-Royce is special in its own way, I must say the Wraith, inspired by fashion, is my favorite thus far. And this comes from a guy that doesn't really care about fashion and isn't too fond of white cars. The reason why I wouldn't mind owning one is because it's less flashy than other bespoke vehicles, particularly on the inside, where the black and white upholstery gives it that classy feel other Rolls-Royce don't have. It reminds me of the silver cloud eye of the late 1950s, which I can't say about the previous Rolls-Royces to roll out of the bespoke shop. Love it. Classy interior inspired by pre-WW2 cars. Subtle exterior color combo. Exclusive, limited run. Leave it. Stiff competition from Aston Martin and Rolls-Royce. Significantly slower than rivals. Very expensive.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.